big storm at sea. And this is the what? Stop it! And this is what remains of the storm. This is where I live. I live by the ocean. So I can just bring my laptop and webcam out here. And that's my mom.
Mm-hmm.